What's up, guys? It is 2 days after the first meet we had, and right now we have a second meet, and we're about to go to it, but we're gonna be waiting for the boys. Right now we have my beautiful thing, and we got Joey's. We're actually gonna be momming it pretty deep. I think we got like 11 people, but hopefully we get some chill vibes on like the other meet where the cops showed up. But yeah, I'll just be taking you guys with me. All right, so I just got the homies pulling up. Yo, yo, yo,
Hey.
yo,
What's going on?
yo.
What's good, bro?
What's up, bro?
It's been a minute.
All right, but yeah, now that we got them here, we're about to head out to the meet and maybe get some chill vibes. We just made it to the meet. So what's up?
We're good, boy.
We're just gonna do what you do at meets and look at other people's builds. Hopefully no cops come, but can't really promise anything. But let's look at the builds. That's nice. That's a nice SC right there. Hey, we meet again. We meet again, you know. If y'all didn't watch the previous part of the video, we went to another meet and saw that Evo, and we also saw this Mazda. This one's nice. Jesus Christ. I guess I know where all the 370s go. Jesus. Holy shit. VQN. Hey, that's nice. That's nice. I like that. Ronnie, where you at? Is that a... I'm not gonna say it. Everybody's seen it before. That's a Super. As of right now, the meet's kind of like be coming up. A lot of people are coming. You know, some people are late, but we decided to come in early because I didn't want it to like have a lot of spots and not get any spots, but we got in. So maybe after this we'll just chill by the cars. And oh, hello, Mazda gang. Yes, sir. Nah, you should be good. Damn. SCI. Yo. No, I'm just kidding. Muzzle light? Not really, but the fuck did you say?
It's a hot guy.
Oh, I swear.
He said hot. I thought I said hot guy.
I swear he said hot guy.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm a little sus, but I know.
Why would I need that? We got one in my next one.
That's
Venmo me the money. I'll cash it.
What you think?
I gotta
Yo,
say, shit is fucking nice as fuck, bro. Comfy.
Why
as
you
hell.
kissing all my viewers?
Oh my god, it's so true, dude. This bro,
Is
this
it
knot
good?
is so comfy.
Appreciate it.
Because we love the viewers.
Appreciate it. Appreciate it. You know. My man tapped out. Hatchback. That's clean. It's getting more lit. Ooh. Clean, bro. Damn, right hand drive.
Get that on Need for Speed, bro.
Yo. Shit. Excuse me. Yo. Excuse me. Your blanket. Yo, look at Jameson doing good deeds. Look at this man doing good deeds.
good
Yes,
deeds.
sir. Anyways, what's up, vlog? It's your boy Jameson's boy. It's your boy Jameson's boyfriend here. Oh shit. You hear that? You hear that? It's your boy Jameson's boyfriend here. You heard that one? Yeah, man. I'm trying to get like, man, shit. ESRs? Yo? Yes, sir.
Quick release bumper.
Damn. Fuck with it. Fuck with it. Yo, I'm out here with my best subscriber. You already know it's good. Like, no, all my subscribers are the best, but I mean, this dude, even
Biggest supporter, bro. Biggest supporter.
Yes, sir.
Number one supporter. Number one supporter, bro.
I don't know where all these guys are going, but like over there was hella pops, but I ain't associated with that, so we just gonna be chilling.
Oh, so.
Go! Yeah, that dude's actually going to my car. I got pulled over. So.
Are you talking to your vlog? Bro, I be getting pulled up for the stupidest shit. Fucking license plate.
Fucking license plate, dude.
Fucking license plate, man. Like, shit.
And we're at IHOP. Shout out to La Familia. Great ass meat. But we're about to end the night. Y'all see the lineup? But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, man. Dream forever.